Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start right now. Press Windows plus R, type DXdiag, and hit Enter. This opens the Directx diagnostic tool which queries system and graphics APIs. That's why we use it instead of guessing. Once it loads, let it finish collecting data. This ensures accurate Directx and driver details. Make sure you click Yes if asked about checking drivers. That runs quick checks. By starting here, you capture the authoritative Directx version and essential hardware info required for the next steps. Once DXdiag finishes, look at the System tab first. The Directx version line states the installed runtime. Then move to Display tabs to read the GPU name, driver version, and feature levels. These tell you which Directx features your hardware supports versus only the runtime installed. Make sure to expand both Display 1 and Display 2 if present. If you plan to update drivers, note the current driver date and version so you can compare after installing newer drivers. To finish, click Save All Information and store the TXT file. That preserves the Directx version, feature levels, and driver details for later reference. If a game requires a higher feature level than your hardware reports, you'll need a driver or hardware update. Make sure to run Windows Update and the GPU vendor's installer. If DXdiag reports errors or missing components, reinstall Directx runtime libraries and drivers. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode and retry the installations as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.